Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G60s, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fits on this device. So in my case, the Google Fits are activated, and if you want to just turn it off, here hold for a while your screen and you'll see the home settings. Just tap there and go to the swipe access, and here switch the Google Fits to nothing. And now if we'll go back, as can you see, I'm just swapping with my finger here to the right side and I can't open the Google Fits. So that's how it looks. And if you want to just again enable the Google Fits, just go by the same way to the home settings. Here tap to the swipe access and switch it to the Google Fits. And now as can you see, we just turn on or activate again our Google Fits. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.